Can I get Spotify on my Sharp TV? Spotify is available on many Sharp TVs, but whether you can get it depends on your TV's operating system. Sharp TVs run on different platforms like Android TV, Roku TV, and Aquos Net Plus, which determine app availability. If your TV supports app installations, you may be able to download Spotify directly. 1. Checking your Sharp TV's operating system. Before installing Spotify, check which operating system your Sharp TV uses. If your TV runs on Android TV or Roku TV, Spotify is available through their respective app stores. However, if your TV runs on Aquos Net Plus or another proprietary system, Spotify may not be available directly. 2. Installing Spotify on Android TV. If your Sharp TV uses Android TV, follow these steps to install Spotify. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your TV. Step 2. Search for Spotify using the search bar. Step 3. Select the Spotify app and click Install. Step 4. Open the app once installed and log in to your Spotify account. 3. Installing Spotify on Roku TV. For Sharp Roku TV models, install Spotify using these steps. Step 1. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Go to Streaming Channels and open the Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Search for Spotify and select it. Step 4. Click Add Channel to install the app, then open it and log in. 4. Alternative ways to use Spotify on Sharp TV. If your Sharp TV does not support the Spotify app, you can use alternative methods. Chromecast. If your TV has built-in Chromecast, you can cast Spotify from your smartphone. AirPlay. If you have an Apple device and your TV supports AirPlay, you can stream Spotify wirelessly. External devices. Use a streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or a gaming console to access Spotify on your TV. If your Sharp TV supports Spotify through the Google Play Store or Roku Channel Store, you can install it easily. If not, you can still use Spotify by casting from your phone or using an external streaming device.